should move farther away so I'm not invading his video. Anyways, apparently this isn't the right outfit, according to Dan, to go pick up a 440, but I'll tell you what, I look good, I feel good, and I'm excited about this motor. So, let's go get after it, shall we? I think he's ready to go. So here we go. Yay! So I was trying to intro my video and I was getting yelled at because somebody is very anxious.
I'm impatient.
He is.
Lunch or motors, I don't wait for no one.
So I feel like chances of a speeding ticket could be high here. But hey, what does it matter when you're getting a 440, right? It's an exciting day. It feels kind of like Christmas. Christmas in March? What month is it? Is it March? Yeah, it's March. Christmas in March. Well, we're here. We're just waiting for our contacts to show up.
Got someone on the inside.
Our men on the inside. So I was just saying that I think this truck would be cool without doors.
It would be much cooler because it's still.
But like it would look cool. So can you just like take doors off of anything?
Fully bolt on.
But I mean like you could just take the doors off and just drive without doors?
I don't know. Motorcycles don't have doors.
Motorcycles don't have doors. Jeeps don't have doors.
Yeah. Must be allowed.
I would think so.
Google it. See what they say.
They'll just tell me in the comments, right?
They're all going to tell you what you want to hear and then wait for you to get the ticket if it's legal.
I won't get the ticket. You'll get the ticket.
Fair enough.
This is the key. I feel like these are going to be so interesting because there's going to be so many different perspectives that you'll be able to see. Because the Sobering guys helped bring the motor here. The Coastal guys gave it.
Do you think Big Easy's doing like a virtual delivery or something like that with like little Hot Wheels cars and stuff? So he can, it's like, you know, a reenactment.
He's got his little drone or something so he can be here. We're sorry that he can't. But here we go. This is it. The moment is happening.
Dave's got a little lead foot there, that guy.
He's ready for the motor to be in this truck, and so are we. So here we go. So this is the moment. I feel like this is like the weirdest situation ever because there's like groups of people filming. And here we go. Oh my gosh. Is this even gonna fit? Yeah, Slowpoke. Last one to film.
Danny, the Sobering boys helped out big time. Go check them out. We'll watch them. Bonus they put in right now. I'm so stoked on it. Thanks to these guys for having a pile. Looking at all, we'll figure it all out.
Wow, this is a talent I would never possess.
Perfect.
I can't believe this thing barely even sunk. Wow.
That's good.
Babe, you did a great job.
Like heavy. Just had a SD card error here. Oh, no, really? You guys can do a second take. You need a signature?
Look at that. Here she is. Dan's having technical issues. The person that actually needs his camera to work, not working. Are you gonna need to borrow my footage? Look at that, mint! They're right in there. This is huge. Like I didn't. Size matters, man. Crazy, look at this. Well, I'm pretty excited. definitely feel like we look like a bunch of derps. Everybody's filming. The moment is happening.
The unveiling.
It's like Christmas.
Check out some stickers. Don't forget that, guys. Right on. Very cool. Everyone needs a leather gator crate.
Yeah, everyone does need a Leatherman. That's the key. Key to success.
My B-list Leatherman, you go.
Alright, here we go. It's here. 440 Hater Crate. Now we're gonna, I don't know, probably take it home and unbox it, do stuff. I don't actually really know how any of this works. I just exist in the world. So, oh, perfect. No work for us. We're going for lunch then.
It's super tight.
Oh, buddy could drive a forklift, eh?
Yeah.
It was almost as good as watching a tow truck, which we both enjoy very much. Like, look at that fit. Like, that's, and this thing barely even sunk. Like, there was no, I'll tell you, those Chevys, they put those Mopars to shame.
Well, I think it's just Dave.
Dave didn't get a chance to break it.
Close to it. He didn't send the Chevy to
There needs to be 6 feet between Dave and anything at all time.
COVID exists all the time when it comes to mechanical activity.
Well, people think that I'm like a walking clutch disaster.
Hopefully we don't have to move over to that GM transmission.
I don't think I know anyone that breaks stuff like Dave breaks stuff.
Let's not go there. Yeah, let's not do that.
Well, hey man, I appreciate the hell of this guy for helping out and all
All
that.
good, man. That's what we do.
That's awesome. I'll give you a hug.
Not allowed.
That's pretty good, yeah. We're good, we're good. Awesome. That's a big crate.
That's what she said.
Yeah.
All right. Well, Hater Crate is here. Dan's just setting some stuff up. And the weather turned a little cooler, so I changed. And, I thought maybe it was time for a little snack. So, did you guys just hear that wicked fart from Steve? You should be ashamed. Oh my gosh. All right. I have to get back there. These are the best donuts ever. I'm finishing. If you're ever in Winnipeg and you get a chance to go to O Donuts, that's the place you want to go to. Okay. I'll get out there before Dan yells at me. Because that'd be bad. Okay. Here we go. This is the moment you've all been waiting for. The Hater Crate revealed. So apparently there's like 300 screws in this thing. So I don't know that I will torment you guys.
Screwed by the car again.
I'm not going to torment you guys and make you watch each and every screw be removed.
You should do that.
But
6 hours later.
look at that. The Hater Crate. I like the fail-elephant too. That was pretty funny.
Yeah. They have a good sense of humor.
They know I like my puns. That's for sure.
We're for sure gonna end up with a flat tire in the driveway.
Oh, hunt it.
We're sending the bill.
Alright, we'll check in with you guys later once this thing is done being unscrewed. Alright, so my camera died, so I'm using my phone, so sorry about the sound. And I am now getting my first view of what's in the Hater Crate.
Skimp on fastener.
I like the little, your butt's in the way, little dino sheet. Here, I'll turn the camera around so you guys can see it better.
Every single thing.
They did not want to make it easy. Oh my gosh, look at this.
I think whatever screws are at the dump, because they're all mismatched.
The dino sheet. Uncle Bobo, did you put this together all yourself? Because I am impressed.
Signed the crate too.
Did he?
Bobo was here.
Oh my gosh, this is hilarious. Oh boy. What's next? Man, that's sure it's secure. They made sure that it was not going nowheres.
Yeah.
Also, I'm terrified of this hammer situation, so I'm gonna move out of the way.
Hey, you're in the kill zone.
Use that man muscles.
Trying to. It's like a Chinese finger puzzle here. Trying to step on.
Oh my gosh, don't hurt yourself, please.
Oh god. Going in.
You should have done some yoga.
I'll wear my tight pants.
Why did you wear your tight pants? Who are you trying to show off for here?
Hey. Hey, man. Just threw some screws in here.
That have no purpose. Well, again, they couldn't make it too easy for you. You gotta do a little work.
Really sunk him in past the wood.
You needed to earn this motor, and I think you're doing a good job, sir. Oh boy! Look who gets her own hater crate. Oh boy. Oh boy. Okay. I feel like I no longer care about what's in here.
I need the hammer.
And I only care about what's in here, so. What's in the box? What's in the box? Okay, I'm very excited about this, so let's go open it! Ugh, I have to game tools before I can open my crate. What did you want?
Flathead, big one.
A flathead, a big one. No. No. Ooh, would this work?
Nope.
Oh.
Try bar.
No. Ah, almost stabbed myself. No. No. Do you even have a flathead screwdriver? No. No. Is this big enough? I don't see a bigger one. Do you guys see a bigger one? No.
Literally anything at this point.
Okay. Well, this is what you get. Hater crate time. Alright, let's set this up and see what we got. Alright. Here she is. The 440 flesh and blood. Minus the flesh, minus the blood.
Well, I'm not done yet. There may be some blood coming.
I'm surprised that there's not any of Uncle Bobo's blood in there.
Yeah. Gross.
Well, just because I figured he would have injured himself at some
This
point.
probably only shows up under UV light, like a mutant. He's like an X-Men.
He's not the hero we knew we want. What is it? He's not the hero we deserve, but the hero we needed, or something like that.
Run into a situation where I don't know how I'm gonna get the sides off because it's jammed between the wheel wells.
Ah.
The motor might have to come out and go back in,
Ooh.
or like lift it up, drive the truck away, crate out, motor back in.
This all sounds like work I don't want to do.
Yeah, well.
This is very difficult.
Bobo! Why are there so many knots?
Bobo strikes again! Well, she's all cleaned up, and she told me that she wanted some nuggies. So we're gonna go get the 440 some nuggies, and I mean while we're there we might as well get me some nuggies.
And the dog some cheeseburgers?
The dog some cheeseburgers, maybe you a cheeseburger. It's a hard day's work. We now deserve lunch.